Hello, students. Welcome to Future Talent Academy Jamshoro. So, today we will learn present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense, also called present simple tense, use in daily routine, habits, facts. Structure is subject plus base verb, but with he, she, it, we add s or es. Like examples, I play cricket, she plays cricket, we study English, he goes to school. And the key points are use do and does for negative and questions. Example, she does not play. Does he go to school? So remember, present indefinite is used for routine and facts. I hope you can get helpful knowledge from Future Talent Academy. Good luck. Follow Future Talent Academy Jamshoro for more lessons. Thank you.